Today we wrap up our look into inference. And today's activity is brought to us by Newspapers in Education, courtesy of the Smart Exchange. It's basically a quick activity on inference. It concludes our look into inference. Okay, so I for infer. Let's read between the lines with an inference window, but using newspapers. The next few pages is an article from the Daily Oklahoman. After reading the article, you will make 4 inferences from the reading. One about a person or people in the article, one about the setting, one about the problem and or about a possible solution. Support your inference with facts. Share your inferences with a partner. Make notes of the discussion on the page following the article. Today's article is in honor of Black History Month. Let's get started. Here's the first portion of the article. Again, if you have the notebook file, you can go ahead and go over there and read the article, which is on 2 pages together. If you only have the video, then pause the video until everyone has finished reading the article. Okay, here's the remaining part of the article. Again, if you are looking at this only at the video and you don't have the notebook file to use as well, pause the video until everyone has completed their reading. Okay, now, if you have the notebook file, again, go over and actually, as a class, write what you have in regards to inference about a person or people, inference about the setting, inference about the problem, inference about the solution, and where do you get the supporting facts from the article. If you are looking at this from a video, take a sheet of paper and divide it into 4s. Talk with a partner about what you saw as inference about a person, inference about a setting, inference about the problem, or inference about the solution. If you need to refer back to the article, rewind the video so that you can see evidence of facts. Unpause the video when you are done. Okay, now let's make an inference about a cartoon. On the next page is a picture of an editorial cartoon from the Daily Oklahoman. Make 3 or 4 inferences regarding the visual. Record your insights about the people, the place, the situation, and or the outcome again. Back up your inference with supportive information and share with a partner. Now, this supportive information can also be background knowledge. Note your discussions again on the following page after the cartoon. Okay, here's the cartoon. Again, if you're using the video only, make notes using that same 4-part of what you can infer. If you have the notebook file, again, go back to the notebook file. Again, here's the 4 pieces of information. If you have the video, you can rewind as you go through and find your supporting facts. Unpause the video when you are done. Okay, now let's look at an advertisement and make inferences. On the following page is an interesting ad from the Daily Oklahoman. Using the visuals and persuasive phrases, infer the target audience for the ad. Is the ad aimed at children, adults, males, females, those with money, those looking to save, those who live in a certain area, etc.? Talk about it all. Explain the reasoning behind your choice. Okay. Is the ad aimed at children, adults, males, females, etc.? Again, if you have the notebook file, go ahead and go back to it and make notes on the screen. If you only have the video option, then again, pause, discuss in your pairs, and then discuss as an entire class before you unpause the video. Okay, great job again this week, generals. Talk to you again next week.